welcome back to the channel. Today I have yet another haul because I've been spending way too much money. I'm totally aware of that, so we're just gonna skip right past all that. This is a Disney haul and it's mainly stuff that I got at my recent Disney World trip with my friends. But a couple of things are actually from Mercari, but I figured I would show them to you guys anyways because they're really cute and just small little thingies. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing I got is one of the face bags. These immediately went viral as soon as they started to drop, and then they came out with more and more characters. Now they've got Mickey, Minnie, Stitch, Donald, I think Daisy, Baymax. That's all I can think of right now. But I bet they'll come out with more. The main reason I got this is because I wanted to take it on my Tokyo trip because I'm doing a whole Donald Duck themed outfit because they really loved Donald there. So I really wanted to bring this bag. So obviously it's just got Donald's face on it and it's got this fun 3D element of the tassel on his hat. And it's also really cute because Minnie's, her bow is a giant actual 3D bow, which is super cute. And then it just says Walt Disney World on the back, but I really like that it's in the Disney font, not the Disney World logo, which is not my favorite. And it's a super roomy bag. There's tons of space in here. It's got a little pocket. But yeah, I'm super excited to take this to Tokyo Disney. It's going to be a great little shoulder bag while I'm there. And yeah, it's just, look how cute it is. If you don't know a ton about Tokyo Disney culture, a big thing for them are stuffies, specifically giant ones. You'll just see people walking around the park holding giant stuffies and stuffy keychains. So I want to look like a local, even though obviously I don't. And so I just wanted to grab some Donald the Duck keychains and stuff. So I picked this one up from Mercari. This one is actually from Shanghai Disney, which is kind of cool. It's a little keychain and he's got a really fat face. It's so cute. And then it says Shanghai Disney on the back, but it's also a little coin purse. So I thought that was super cute. Just really good little keychain moment. So I got him from Mercari. I also got this one from Mercari, which is not technically a keychain, but I'm just gonna turn it into one. It's just kind of a mini plush. And I thought he would be super cute. And then I also had to grab a Nuimo because I've never had one before and they're so precious. And I really like that he's a little bit of a lighter color palette. As you can see, typical Donald is a little bit darker and he's a little bit lighter, which is so cute. So I have 3 little keychains to go on my Donald bag for when I'm at Tokyo Disney. I also just recently reorganized my closet a little bit and I have this hat and beanie organizer that has these clips on it. And so now I have a great way to also store my keychains, which is really, really helpful because I've been in a big keychain fad. I don't know, I just love them. You can customize your bag so much and make it look so cute and intentional. So these are gonna be adorable hanging from my Donald Duck bag. Next item is also a bag which I intend to take to Tokyo Disney, but now I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to or not just because it's so bulky. And obviously I have to pack for 2 weeks. So yeah, but it's this amazing Mickey bag. It's hard plastic, fully shaped like his head. And it's this rainbow glittery black, I don't know, finish. And then it's got little clasps on the back so that you can turn it into a crossbody bag. Yep, that's the word I'm looking for. So I thought this would look so cute in Tokyo Disney, but like I said, I don't know if this is gonna make it because this is a big thing to pack in a suitcase and I've got to be so strategic about what I can fit in my bag. Mainly because I don't wanna have to haul 4 bags of luggage constantly through Tokyo and the train system and everything. And we're switching hotels quite a lot while we're there. So this is really gonna depend on if I can fit him or not. And I'm leaning towards the fact that he's probably not gonna be able to fit, which is fine. I went to Festival of the Arts for the first time, so I felt kind of almost obligated to buy something because it was my first time ever. So I got 2 prints. I don't remember what, Noah Fine Art. These are by Noah Fine Art. So thanks Noah for your gorgeous prints. I've actually had my eye on these for a really long time, but just never purchased them. So when I saw them in person, I was I have to grab them. So they are these Jack and Sally prints, and they came in with the matting. Like, first of all, these are just stunning. Sorry, I know the light's putting a lot of glare on them. I'm keeping them in the package until I find frames for them, just so they stay super safe. So that's the Jack one. And then there's also this gorgeous Sally one, and I just love that they look like old-timey, like black and white portraits. And so I'm gonna frame these, and they're gonna go up in my kitchen during Halloween, because I always do like a Nightmare Before Christmas theme in there. And these are gonna look so good, like stacked together. I mean, come on, couple of the year. I love them. Next up is this little ring set I snagged at Hollywood Studios. And it's just like a little Sorcerer Mickey ring set. And I mainly got this because I have a Sorcerer Mickey pair of ears on my Etsy shop. You can shop all of my ears at hollylollyco.com. And so I thought this would be really cute to take like some detailed photos of those with. Plus they're also just adorable, and I would wear them outside of just that picture, so snag that. Next item is actually a friend's either birthday or Christmas present, I don't know. So Shelja, if you're watching, just like skip ahead like a minute or so. I found this in the Epcot UK pavilion, and it's a Winnie the Pooh DIY bracelet kit, and she loves to make friendship bracelets, but she's also like a massive Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Eeyore, Piglet, all the gang fan. So I thought this would be literally so cute. It comes with all this supplies. It comes with charms of them, super colorful like ribbons and beads. Like, this is just adorable, and I really think that she's gonna have a good time using this. So I cannot wait to give this to her for probably her birthday, since that's sooner than Christmas. Next thing I picked up was also from Hollywood Studios, and they did like a whole Fantasmic slash Fantasia release recently, like all tons of Sorcerer Mickey inspired items. And this is incredible. I literally got it like the day that it dropped, which is crazy. But I love that this is so like Y2K juicy sweatsuit coated, but it's like Fantasmic-y. Like, this is adorable. So it's literally just blue velvet, you know, blue like sweatsuit material, but then it's got little embroidered sparkly stars and a moon on it. And then on the cuff down here, it's got Sorcerer Mickey and Walt Disney World. This is the logo that I was talking about. That's not my favorite. Like, I like the classic Disney logo over this one, but it's fine. But look how cute he is. And it's got a little hood. Like, come on, this is so freaking cute. I don't think I have the tag on it anymore. I wish I could tell you guys how much it was. But I don't think it was like that bad, because I try and not be like too crazy. Like, some things at Disney are just so overpriced that it's not worth it, but I also do have an annual pass discount, so yeah, adorable. I'm realizing that I did so much shopping at Hollywood Studios, because this also is from Hollywood Studios, LOL. I got this really fun, like Mickey, almost like art graffiti style oversized t-shirt. They have this in a mini version as well, but it just says Mickey, and then it's got his little like, his little booty and his feet on there. So cute. The back is just like plain, but I also just love that it was like this off-white color. This, honestly, with like some tennis shoes and some biker shorts, is such like an easy, comfy, cozy Disney outfit. But it's just like a little bit more unique than some other stuff that you see. So I picked it up because I thought it was so cute. All right, last but obviously definitely certainly not least, I picked up this Mickey football jersey. I got it super oversized so it would fit more like a dress. And I honestly thought I was gonna wear this in Tokyo Disney. Now I'm not so sure. I still think I might, because I feel like I need like one more kind of comfier outfit. But I'm really trying to go all out with my outfits in Tokyo Disney so I can get really good photos and content for you guys. And this feels like a little bit too easy, but at the same time, like, it's so American that wearing it in Japan feels so fun because it's a football jersey. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but I think it'll be really cute with that black Mickey bag, so we'll figure it out. But it's just got like little stripes in the sleeves. Obviously it has Mickey on it. It has Walt Disney World on the bottom, and then the back is just plain. This one does still have the tag on it, actually. This was $64.99, and then I had 20% off with my annual pass. So yeah, I also got over 2 trips. So that could be so much worse, truly. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stick around, especially for Tokyo Disney vlogs, because that's coming very, very soon. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.